I'm just getting my buzz back pushing. To God be the glory. I come home on 4 attempts, so we just rocking and rolling, man.
That's right, my brother.
And I want to salute you, and I thank you for the opportunity, man. Salute, dog.
Yo, nothing but love, my brother. I want you to give me your hottest joint. Give me your hottest song so we can play it on here.
Let's get to it. We're going to hit that play button for him.
AKA Slim Wickers. Our man state always been platinum forever. Mars platinum forever. Kisses from platinum women on this platinum endeavor. Performing on platinum platforms, platinum forever. The journey for the truth, like journeying off the proof. It's proof that I'm in Germany since I've been in you. I think of Eric and Huey, her Bobby and Fred. And we sit on the corner about to dap for some bread. I sit and cry on my bed. Had the future ahead, cause when it boiled down to it, most our future is dead. Think of Martin the prophet, who could have cocked it and shot it, but his love shine through, so no hating could profit. A Malcolm the martyr, execution in Harlem, while executing excellence with the heart of a Sparta. Omega the leader, whose soul sweet as Aaliyah. He promised us gold streets, so we forever believe him. For they unjust killers and they murderous villains, I got a hell of a feeling, and I'ma just start chilling. It's a perilous race if we don't get it together. So I pray for you, brother. Well wishes forever. Kisses from platinum women known as platinum endeavor. Performing on platinum platforms, platinum forever. So journeying for the truth, while journeying off the proof. It's proof that I'm a journeying since I've been a youth. Flyer than any dove, flying high but a norm. Higher but a storm, all liars get scorned. Sun purged with fire with a earth, but I'm a Messiah. Spirit touched by light, these bars is so nice. You can hear it for a price, or it did for a life. My tears turned to ice, going years ain't nice. Kisses from platinum women on this platinum endeavor. Performing on platinum platforms, platinum forever. So journeying for the truth, like journeying off the proof. It's proof that I'm in Germany since I've been a youth. Kisses from platinum women on this platinum endeavor. Performing on platinum platforms, platinum forever. So journeying for the truth, like journeying off the proof. It's proof that I'm in Germany since I've been a youth. Think of Angela Davis and the side of Shakur. We need more of these women instead of more of these whores. From every angle with anger, these women have spoke and trusting us to keep this black movement afloat against injustice and dope. They was the pillar of hope, so I'm hoping that the future will go out and vote. And overthrow the government, not govern what happens then. Black folk in a modern day age, so I ride around town with a modern day gauge. Prepared to send a racist to a modern day grave. Mass incarceration is modern day slavery. Bravery and tenacity, faith and all audacity. Only thing that matter when you living through a tragedy. Wishing Miss Aretha say a love prayer for me. Kissing Paula's son cause they never did care for me. Carefully loading my millie up every day. Crying for Billie Holiday. Wondering if the heroin really took the pain away. Brains in the hallway. This caged bird couldn't ask for a better view. Still loving the soul of Miss Angelou. The anger grew when they put me on a pedestal. The snakes grew, so you knowing that the metal flew. Just a preview of the evil that she's do. Still rebuking these devils up in Hebrew. Kisses from platinum women on this platinum endeavor. Performing on platinum platforms, platinum forever. So journeying for the truth, like journeying off the proof. It's proof that I'm in Germany since I've been a youth. Kisses from platinum women on this platinum endeavor. Performing on platinum platforms, platinum forever. So journeying for the truth, like journeying off the proof. It's proof that I'm in Germany since I've been a youth.
Yo. Yo. Let me break this down to you. You ain't no punk, and I can tell.
Love, respect.
I'm gonna tell you real shit. You remind me of me, because I remember I was in the streets, and I believed in my dream, and I went to the Apollo Theater, where they throw you off the stage. And when I went out there with 3 girl background singers. I had this cane. I came in a suit. It was called He's a Big Shot. I flipped the cane, and the cane had rhinestones all over it. My point is, I was ready. And the crowd went crazy, and I won 4 weeks in a row. But you came on here with the right vibe. And the minute you rocked, them lights started going. You reminded me of me,
Man,
cause
that
you
mean
really
everything to
want it,
me, Don.
and you really ready. I ain't gonna lie to you, the music was low, but the flows was crazy. What's the hook? I came from a platinum platinum and the platinum bella.
Kisses from platinum women known as Platinum Endeavor, performing on platinum platforms, platinum forever. It's a journeying for the truth, while journeying off the proof is proof that I've been journeying since I've been a youth.
Man, let me tell you, I fuck with that, man. Your name is tell me how to get, cause your shit is kind of weird, man, in the IG. So let them know, cause this is a big platform so people could follow you,
Right.
man.
My name J Stats. Streets name me J Stats, gunslinger that made it, aka Stats Accardo. That's Stats STATSACCARDO. You know we be on our mob thing, man. Free my brother Mano, he in the feds. I love you, bro. Slim Rico.
Yo, my brother, thanks for coming on here, man. Nothing but love and success, man.
Love. I'll be in touch. I appreciate you, Don. Salute.
DM me for next week. Every Saturday, I'm ready. New artists. You gotta DM me for the mixtape, for the live. It's crazy, man. Let me tell you something, man. You know, when I came up, I came up in the same projects as Digging in the Crates and Finesse and Diamond and Show and everybody, but it wasn't easy. And I remember I had to go to the parties and network and try to meet somebody who was hot. I remember when I had my single out, we was up all night, me and the Tats crew, putting these posters up. We would come home looking like a white, like 9/11. It was all glue on us, glue on all us. You know what I'm saying? And then in the daytime, that was to 7 in the morning. I sleep a little, and at 3 o'clock, I was outside the train station in 149th or Fordham Road giving out flyers saying Flo Joe, Fat Joe. I used to go see Ralph McDaniels. I owe him so much. Video Music Box. I would walk up the stairs, 31 flights of stairs, because for some reason, the elevator never worked. So I would go down to Center Street and walk up 31 flights of stairs. I know it when I see it in somebody's eyes that they want it. Now, I'm not a genie. I can't tell you if you're going to make it or not. All I could do is try to share the platform. You're an artist, you believe in it, invest in yourself. Promote yourself, believe in yourself. All right. Uncle Dan, that's it? Did we good? All right, we did 3 last week. We doing 3 now. UFO Feed. I believe in you, UFO Feed. That's why I took a chance with you. You dedicated to the game. Let me tell you something. Had a plan, A and B. Gotta always have a plan. My plan is, fortunately for me, I've made so many hit records, I always got touring. But look at it now. The COVID stopped the tours and the concerts. So now I gotta fall back on being a businessman and with my stores and my other businesses to get money. So it's gotta be an A and a B. So if you wanna be an artist, your dream gotta be A, I wanna be an artist. The B gotta be, what if I don't blow? What if people don't support me the right way? What if they don't see what I see? I've seen many artists come out in the game that's supposed to be platinum, supposed to be big, but for some reason it don't connect. It don't connect with people, and unfortunately, it doesn't happen for them. And my nephew, you are right. The plan is generational wealth. That's what we're working towards. Generational wealth. That's what it is. You know, I'm telling you. That's how it goes down. That's you know, so, you know, I believe in you. You need to believe in yourself too. You know what I'm saying? And another thing, if you, I'm gonna even give you more. I usually say 40. But if you're 45 and you don't have a 9-to-5 job on income and you're still laying in your couch talking about you're gonna be an artist or you're rapping, you're gonna blow up, you're lying. You gotta get a job. You gotta work. You gotta work. Some shit I seen. What did I see? Who was saying? Oh, somebody was here. I can't tell you who. But somebody came last night, big time director, big time movie guy, whatever. And he was just telling me a story about him and his friends. Same shit like me. He goes everywhere to work, and then if it ain't sexy, you know, the guys you're supposed to work with him don't want to show up, don't want to go. But if it's a Paris thing or a London thing, they want to show up. But if it's some shit that's like no AC fucked up, they don't want to show up. It's the same thing with us. Jada Kiss will tell you. Jim Jones will tell you. Fab will tell you. You know, when we do a show in New York, every one of our so-called friends show up 100,000 deep. Want to stand on stage like they down, like they, you know. When I got to go perform in Toledo, Ohio, Cincinnati, Oklahoma, wherever you name it, Bangladesh, books, nobody's volunteering. But when it's Madison Square Garden, the Summer Jam, it's sexy. They want to come. It's just the real. I was just trying to play a couple of artists, but now y'all got me talking that shit. And nobody know how to talk it like me. And I tell you the truth, because I come from the bottom. Right now I'm in a beautiful home. We're complaining that the AC works too much. Uncle Dan said, yo, when I was a kid, we didn't have no AC. My mother would have to mop the floor in the summer with the cold water. That was the AC. That's it. So you gotta, you gotta, I keep telling everybody, God willing, you blow. If you don't, have that plan B. I'm a spit game to you, right? You can work for anybody. You can think they're your family. Something can go wrong, or a family member could need a job, and they'll fire you just like that. That's why it bugs me out when I go places and I park my car as these Haitian guys. You would swear to God they own the parking lot. Exercise. Stop I say, Fat Joe. Exercise the car. To this, yo, bro. You're not getting paid more for charging somebody more. You in there thinking this is your no. No, they'll fire you tomorrow. So I'm telling you, be an entrepreneur. Well, if the plan B is the streets, then do the streets and get enough money so you can turn legit and flip it. See, the problem is when people go to the streets and they get their money, they never shine before that. So what they do is put themselves in jail. They come on Instagram, they try to floss so they can finally get the girl they wanted, rather than get some money and open a business. I might be talking too much, but this the real shit. Like, don't. I got something for everything. I'm gonna have to do like a seminar one day to just, talk. And that's not true. It ain't just dead or in jail. Hold up, Dad. It ain't just dead or in jail. It's called work. It's called being an entrepreneur. It's called you laugh at those Chinese guys that work at the ghetto Chinese, and it looks like they all live 20 people in an apartment, but they got a plan. They start with one Chinese restaurant, then the next thing you know, 10 years later, they got 20 Chinese restaurants and they live in a mansion somewhere. But you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that, right? It's almost similar to you saying the immigrants are taking over America. Yeah, but you ain't picking no fucking tomatoes. You ain't building no roofs at 100 degrees. You just ain't gonna do the shit. You ever see your man that was like, we all grew up on welfare. We all grew up fucked up. We all grew up poor. But you ever seen somebody poor talking about, you tell them, yo, I could get you a job for $20 an hour. I'm not doing no shit like that. You crazy? I'm like, well, who the fuck is you? Too good for the $20 an hour. You gotta pay your dues. You're never gonna start at the top. You gotta pay your dues. I just told you, fat Joe, 31 flights of stairs. I'm out all night putting posters up with the tat screw. Glue all on me, the old school posters with glue. Fat Joe. Go to sleep a couple of hours, be at the train station. So when they come home from school, giving them my flyer. I didn't have it easy. I went to the Apollo Theater, amateur night. They could have booed me off the stage. So what I'm saying is you could work. And you could be legit. It don't got to be the streets or jail. Nah, it's called a job. And I'm going to tell you something. I salute the hustlers. Everybody who get to the bag, I got nothing but love for them. Do your thing. That's your choice. Do your thing. I salute you. But I salute the sanitation driver. I salute Louis the mechanic. I salute the man who makes the sandwich. The man who drives the Uber. Because they out there busting their ass for their family. I'm talking real shit. Okay. What's up, cousin Miriam? Okay, I'll let it go. Is it too much? Did I go too far? Did I go too far? And if I'm your uncle, I'm the flyest uncle you ever had in your life. Try to play with me with the uncle shit and all that. You see what's going on. You see what's going on. Don't do that to yourself. Now I'm fucking with y'all. Yo, salute the artist that came on here. Hit me in the DM if you want to go on my live. Next Saturday, we got the mixtapes out. You know, trying to help artists. I got a big thing coming. Huge. Coming for up and coming artists. Huge. Bigger than life. Big thing coming, you know? All right. One love, y'all.